Hey, Tyel. It's Miss Andrea here. You were at my house swimming yesterday. We're going to practice your spelling words together. You have 12 words, and I'm not writing them in the same order they gave them to you at school on the list but you have to practice. You have to write them after I write them, okay? So the first one is going to be pup, P-U-P, pup. And then we're going to write rub, R-U-B, rub. All lowercase letters. Hum, H-U-M, hum. Bud, B-U-D, bud. Bus, B-U-S, bus. And then we're actually going to write 6 up here, because then these two words, Doug and rug, if you notice, they have a U and a G and a U and a G. And then we're going to write butt and cut. And if you notice, they have a U and a T and a U and a T. If you notice, all of these had a middle letter of a U. So did these. But these have a G and a G and a T and a T on the end. And then we're going to have 3 at the end that rhyme: duck, luck, and tuck. Okay? Practice writing them. Get your paper and your pencil out. And play this again and write P-U-P, pup. R-U-B, rub. H-U-M, hum. B-U-D, bud. B-U-S, bus. D-U-G, Doug. R-U-G, rug. B-U-T, butt. C-U-T, cut. D-U-C-K, duck. L-U-C-K, luck. T-U-C-K, tuck. Notice every one of these has vowel U. No other vowels but a U.